In this video, I'll show you how to put booking code on OneXBet. This is very simple. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So maybe you're in a group that they share booking codes, or maybe your friend gives you a booking code to use. This is how to put booking code on OneXBet. Another name for booking code in OneXBet is bet slip code. So once you log into your OneXBet account, just click on bet slip. What you have to do here is you also put in your booking code. So you go right to load bet slip, and then here you're going to click on paste the bet slip that you have, and then you upload it. And it's just going to show all the events in that bet slip. And you can go ahead and place your bet. That's how to put booking code on OneXBet.